How to create a meeting in Google Meet. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Google Meet video meeting on your iOS or Android device, whether you want to start one instantly, schedule it for later, or generate a shareable link. So let's get started. So you gotta head over to your App Store first and download Google Meet, and then you gotta click on Open. Once you do so, you will be redirected to an interface like this. All you need to do is simply click on New here at the bottom right. And here you'll be able to see a couple of options. One is create a new meeting, schedule in Google Calendar, call my home devices, or create a group. By clicking on create group, you'll be able to create a group call of all of your friends. And if you wish to call your home devices, you can click on here. And if you wish to schedule a Google Calendar meeting in later, you got to click on this over here, and then you got to click on OK. And then you got to open your Google Calendar. So you got to simply download this Google Calendar from here, or you can also open it in Safari. Simply select the date and time of when you wish to schedule this meeting. And if you wish to create a meeting instantly, you got to simply click on create a new meeting over here. And then you can simply copy this code or simply share it on any of the application, or you can simply join a meeting that is already existing and you can simply paste that code over here. So that is basically how you can create a meeting in Google Meet. So if you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.